Dream Interpretation AI is a new software that's just been released, and today we're diving deep into the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you've ever wondered what your dreams really mean, or you're curious about how AI can help decode your subconscious, this review is for you. First off, Dream Interpretation AI is designed to help you understand the hidden messages behind your dreams using cutting-edge AI algorithms. It analyzes the symbols, emotions, and context of your dreams, offering interpretations that feel personal and insightful. But what sets it apart from other dream interpretation tools is its ability to learn from your past dreams, refining its understanding of what they mean for you. One of the standout features is its user-friendly interface. From the moment you sign up, the setup process is quick and straightforward. You simply input your dream description, and the software gets to work, offering interpretations that feel both relevant and thought-provoking. Whether you're dreaming about flying, falling, or something more abstract, Dream Interpretation AI connects those symbols to common psychological theories and personal contexts. Another great thing about Dream Interpretation AI is the personalization. The more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your patterns. It doesn't just offer general dream analysis, but tailors the insights to your specific needs. If you've had recurring dreams or complex dream sequences, this tool can track those and offer deeper insights into why certain symbols keep appearing. Let's talk accuracy for a moment. While no AI can be perfect in understanding human emotions and subconscious thoughts, Dream Interpretation AI is impressively close. It draws from a vast database of dream interpretations, linking them to various psychological theories and cultural symbols, giving you interpretations that are both insightful and relevant. It's not just pulling random interpretations from the internet, it's applying a sophisticated model that considers psychological and symbolic frameworks. Another important aspect is its accessibility. Dream Interpretation AI is available on multiple platforms, which makes it super convenient whether you're using a desktop or mobile device. It syncs across devices, meaning you can input your dreams anytime, anywhere. This makes it easy to track patterns over time and get consistent feedback from the AI. But of course, no software is without its limitations. Dream Interpretation AI does rely on the information you give it. So, if you're vague in describing your dreams, the interpretation may not be as precise. The more detail you provide, the better the results you'll get. However, that's the nature of any dream interpretation. Whether done by a professional or AI, clarity and detail make a huge difference. Now, if you're wondering whether Dream Interpretation AI is worth it, here's a quick answer. Absolutely. Whether you're into dream journaling or just curious about what your dreams might be telling you, this AI provides a modern approach to dream analysis that's fast, reliable, and offers fresh insights you can trust. It's also totally free to try right now, so you can see for yourself how it works without any risk. If you're looking for a solid recommendation on other AI tools to help with personal growth or daily tasks, check out the description below. I've spent hours testing thousands of AI software, and I've put together a list of the best tools available for you to try for free. So, if you want to start unlocking the hidden meanings in your dreams, make sure you check out Dream Interpretation AI. It's a game changer in the world of AI software, and I can't wait for you to experience it for yourself.